Welcome day 5 of the 5-day mindful breathing course, and we're sitting, we're aware of the ground, inviting you to bring your backs of your hands to your thighs, just settling yourself. So again, however is comfortable, you may choose to be lying on the ground. As you turn your attention now to your breath. So we're here at day 5 and we're better able to sit, lie with our awareness on our breath. So acknowledging that the mind may still wish to hijack us, but we're aware of that and we come back to settling our awareness on the breath. So 3 breaths here together. And maybe you've picked up that oceanic breath that we were looking at yesterday, the exhale. And the sound of the ocean in your throat. And then coming to regular breathing as best you can, and just acknowledge the breath rate. So the inhale and the exhale is a count of 1. The breath cycle, the inhale, the exhale, that's 1 count. So I'm inviting you now, over the next minute, to count your breath. So insightful what our breathing rate is. And this isn't you slowing it down because you know you're counting it and that slower is better. This is just regular breathing, awareness of what that count might be. So exhale fully, maybe exhale in the mouth. And then here we go. So finishing your counting here with your next exhale breath. And interesting, whatever count you've arrived at, the interesting thing is that we are wanting to slow the breathing rate down. So not by extending the exhale. We're wanting today to focus on slowing our breathing rate down such that our inhale and our exhale is the same length. So if you were up at about 14, 15, anything above that, then that's a high breath rate, and it could indicate that there is anxiety. Generally, when we're anxious, we do breathe quicker. And this slowing of the breath rate such that we are able to have about 6 breaths a minute. It does depend on your height and your weight as to what ratio is best for you. But generally about 6 breaths a minute is seemingly having profound benefit to our overall health and well-being. And there's lots of scientific studies that are proving this. And it's strengthening the heart rate variability. So you have the rapid heart rate and you have the slower heart rate, and the heart rate variability is the difference between the two. So it's an interesting biomarker for our overall health. And the coherent breathing, as with many other breathing techniques, really strengthening the heart rate variability, increasing it so that there's a bigger differential between when our heart is beating fast and when it's beating slow. So the journey today is towards slowing the breath rate down as best we can. So inviting you now to explore with me the alternate nostril breathing. So you're lifting your right hand and you're bringing your right hand to your third eye. So the index finger and the middle finger are on your third eye. And your right thumb is on your right nostril. Your ring finger is on your left nostril. So just pause here. You're not closing the nostrils at this stage. You're aware of your breath. And see if you are noticing if you're more dominant one nostril more than the other. So just inhaling and exhaling the nose as best you can. And know that generally we are more dominant one side than the other at any point of the day. And every 40 minutes or thereabouts, there is a switch automatically. And that's maybe when you notice you're congested because you have switched nostril. So here with the alternate nostril breathing, we are breathing each nostril separately. So inviting you now to close the right nostril and just breathe the left nostril. So just take one more. Inhale the left nostril, exhale the left nostril. And then next time you inhale the left nostril, close the left nostril with the ring finger lightly. Open the right nostril by releasing the thumb and exhale the right nostril. Then inhale the right nostril, closing off the right nostril with the right thumb. Open the left nostril and exhale the left nostril. Inhaling the left nostril again. Closing off the left nostril, exhaling the right. Inhale right. Close right, exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Keep it going. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. So if the arm's tiring, take hold of the elbow with the opposite hand. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. And then releasing your hands back down. See if you can maintain that breathing rate. So maybe using your fingers to count. We're inhaling for 4 and exhaling for 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And just come back to normal breathing. And maybe you did want to instinctively inhale longer, deeper, before maybe you wish to exhale the mouth. So we're on this journey, and what we're looking to achieve is 6, a count of 6, on the inhale and the exhale breath. And what I'll do later on is put on some chimes, which will help us. keep that rhythm. But for now, let's build up to it by counting on our fingers. So settling again, remembering if you are sitting that we're looking for that neutral spine, and also when you're lying on the floor, knees bent, useful position to be in. Lift the lower back ever so slightly off of the floor. So neutral spine. And here we go, exhale fully. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back to natural breathing. And just any movements you need to make. So I'm going to put on the chime track, and the benefit of breathing with the chimes is that you're not having to count. And hopefully we're going to maintain that rhythm of 6 on the inhale, 6 on the exhale. But if you aren't enjoying that rate of breathing, then do whatever feels comfortable. Don't wait for the chime before you breathe. The idea is that you're not exhaling and then waiting and then inhaling and gasping. There shouldn't be any push or pull of the breath as we do this. It's simply encouraging us to breathe at that slower rate and know that you are achieving optimal health by doing this. And maybe with practice it becomes embedded in you, and you find yourself slower in your breath rate in your everyday lives. So settling yourselves down again, maybe on the floor, maybe sitting with a tall spine. And just awareness first on the breath. And then here we go. So know that we're breathing together. You're inhaling from the ground. Exhaling back down into the ground. So using that oceanic breath if you would like to. Best you can. If you are really finding that it's stress inducing, then stop. Maybe revisit some of the earlier videos before you arrive back here at what is quite a advanced breathing practice. Still here with me, staying with it. Checking if there's tension coming back into your body. Can you relax? Maybe with that exhale breath, you relax a little bit more. Maybe the eyes are closed or downcast. relaxing the jaw, relaxing the eyeballs, relaxing the face. So just 1.5 more minutes. Just 3 more breath cycles. So with the next exhale breath, dropping your chin down towards your chest. Lifting your hands and bringing your hands to your third eye. Connecting to your intuition, that knowledge that you have that maybe you didn't know you had. Maybe you're looking upwards with your eyes closed at your third eye. And then dropping your hands down to your heart. So connecting to your wisdom here. Amazing. Thank you for being on this journey. Just wakening yourselves up. Get on with our day.